Benny Leong, Seiya Otha and myself were the principal designers who designed the Philips-Alessi line. The collaboration with Philips-Alessi was first seen by our new director, Stefano Mazzano. He saw a link between the two companies, even though they have very different cultures. He saw the potential in which these two companies with these two different cultures could work together. We understood, the designers who were working on it, we understood the uniqueness of the project with such a large company working with such a small company like Alessi. But at the time you were initially so wrapped up in developing the product line and development, it wasn't until the actual designs were on the table that you realized there was a new line there, a new image. And so this grew as the products became more finalized. You suddenly realized this was going to be something that could be regarded as very high in the design world and also to consumers. Especially when they were released, they were seen as something that was very, very new, but it did have the link with the past, which links back to the starting of the project and the themes we wanted to actually pick up. Here we have on the face of it, a completely new language for making coffee. Benny really brought about the feeling for the range. I mean, it's on the face of it a very simple and beautiful product, but what is it? That's always the question, and that's something that is quite interesting, the relationship with Alessi. He's a master at producing irony and producing new form languages, and this is a prime example of that, I think. So this was designed by Benny. The toaster is, again, on the face of it, an extremely simple product with very, very clean lines. Seiya did a great job in defining this and producing a product that is very strong in identity and yet simple, and that was a key theme. Myself, I liaised and developed the kettle. What I wanted to do was to focus on the overall qualities of making boiling water and preparing. So there's a switch here which lights up when the product is on. The stainless steel here from where the water pours out. A very, very, on the face of it, a very simple design, extremely complex to produce. The citrus press here is a beautiful product designed by Seiya Otha. Again, on the face of it, extremely simple, extremely straightforward. There's no control. Simply by pressing on the top here, the product is switched on. It works quietly. So the engineering is excellent. And then to pour, it's simply from the stainless steel spout again. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Very beautiful indeed. Always in design you can do too much. And design is about just doing what is essentially correct. And that's a very difficult art, and I think every designer is searching for that.